Hello everyone, this is David live from New York, here between Madison and Park. Super excited because we're opening our new space in collaboration with our fellow creative Dutch brand Moooi with Marcel Wanders at the helm. We're here to give you a quick preview of the space, so follow me, let's take a look inside. This is the comfort you will get with Moooi, and also the design. They are a super creative brand founded in the Netherlands, just as Senso, and I've known them for many years, so we're super hyped and stoked to be collaborating in this creative space together. Hopefully bringing some inspiration for projects, whether you're a designer or a design enthusiast. So in this space we've installed 3,000 square feet of beautifully designed Superquartz by Senso, which is a blend of our biopolymer and finely crushed marble, and we even added a little bit of mother of pearl to give it that extra pop. So if you're in New York, stop by and visit us, and we'd love to show you this amazing space.